Very good morning to all my dear students. I hope that you are all happy at your home, and by these lessons you are gaining your daily classes. So today the class is for class 8th and I am your English teacher Prateek Sharma. So today we are going to study lesson number 1 for class 8th, which is determiners. So determiners is basically, if you understand it, a very long and very big topic. Determiners, what are determiners? Determiners are the words which are placed before nouns to make it specific what they refer to. To tell you what is exactly the meaning of this definition, determiners introduce the noun in a very simple language. Though I have written determiners are the words which are placed before nouns. Meaning of this line, which are placed before nouns, is one thing: determiners always and always comes before the noun, not after the noun. To make it specific what they refer to, what my noun refer to. For example, if I write an elephant has a long tail. Here the noun is elephant and I use this determiner an, which introduce my noun elephant. So placed before nouns, it is placed before noun, not after, to make it specific what they refer to. Now these are the words which introduce a noun, and it also comes sometimes with the adjectives. Now to make it more clear, if you want to make a note in your notebook, you can use a notebook and write determiners. Produces the noun. That's all. 3 words definition. Now in English language we have basically more than 50 determiners, but we are going to study here 6 types of determiners. Which itself is a topic of English grammar. 6 determiners contain. The very first one is articles. Articles are very small topic but very important for English language, because articles, there are two kinds of articles basically. One is definite, which you very well know as the word the, the or the. When we study articles, I will make you clear where we pronounce it as the and where we pronounce it as the. Another one is indefinite, which is a or an. Sometimes we notice that these are only very small words, a, an, but the uses of these words are long enough to understand. Though we are not studying articles today, the first determiner is articles, second one is demonstrative. By demonstrative I mean this, that, these, those. For making a note, I am writing in this, that, these, those. The third one is pronouns or possessive. For example, my, his, your, our, etc. Whereas the fourth one is quantifiers. Quantifiers, as the name suggesting, quantity, which tells us about the quantity of the noun, that is how much, a little, a few, much, etc. What quantity do I require? The fifth one here comes is numerals. Numerals, as the name suggests, numerals are numbers. It contains two parts, as article contains two parts, definite and indefinite. Numerals contains two parts. First one is ordinal. Ordinal means which is in order. By order, I mean in a sequence, in a order. Another one is cardinal. And then comes the last one, which is distributive. By distributive I mean each, every, all, either, neither. So these are basically six you can see here on the board. First one is articles, contains a and as indefinite and the as the definite article. Demonstrative, this and that, these, those. This for the nearby things, that for the far away, and these, those are the plural forms of this and that. Now pronoun or possessive. Possessive means the ownership of something. When I say possessive, that is, this is my pen, this is my car, this is your house, or this is our class. Quantifiers, which states the quantity, that is little, more, few. Numerals, that is first, second, third, fourth, or simply numbers 1, 2, 3 or 4. Distributive, which distribute these sweets to each of the student, or either you will study, neither you will. So these are the things which we call determiners, which determines Tomorrow, students, we are going to study each and every part of these things in detail, of course. Each topic is a big topic itself to make you understand. Tomorrow we are going to study articles, what articles are, and of course uses are very important. In English, definition is just what define it, but yes, of course, uses we will study. That's all for the today's class. Now tomorrow, come and stay happy, stay safe. This is your teacher Prateek Sharma. Thanks a lot.